Hello, my YouTube darling. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you my Pioneer Woman collection that I want to put on my dining table. So it make it look nice, so you have some idea to put on your table. So I have a new Pioneer collection. The first thing I did is I put some salt and pepper here, and then set aside for my chandelier. And the chandelier I put in the middle. It works, but if I do, it's very bright and it won't show my face. So that's why I turn it off. And I put some flower, matching a little bit, but it's contrast the pink, but a little slightly the same. And the green as well, and the pink light, and the cream, so everything, the colors goes together. Now I fall in love with this Pioneer Woman collection. It's really beautiful. So now I will show you the first what I did. That's the first. And then the second, I put mine, put every corner. I put green instead of this because it's so busy, so I make it only not busy. So you put that, you put every corner, there you go, that's it, simple, huh? That's it. And then you put a plate. I have only 4, so this is only set of 4, because my table is small. So that's it. There you go, see, a little bit nicer. And then I put my cups. The cup is always at the right, so when we drink coffee, when you drink coffee, you have to grab the right side, not the left side. Some people left-handed, so it's fine with them. And then I put my teacup. The teacup is from my friend. She gave this to me. Selena, thank you very much for the teacup. I love your teacup. There you go. You put the teacup at the side. Oh, okay. Some. And then I put my fork and spoon at my similar color for this one. Like that. There you go. Look a little better now. And then my cupcake. So when they grab some tea and eat some cupcakes, they have cupcakes there. Or maybe we need to put the cupcakes down here. There you go. A little better. There you go. Put the cake, you can put on the corner here, and you can put down here if you want. Anywhere you want, or you can put in the middle too. It's up to you, but I like to put here so they can grab some. Then I put the bowl, each one at the top. There you go. It's just like matching. There you go. Put the red, the green. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Not nice? And I will show the plate first. This is the plate, how they look like. The back. That's so gorgeous. It's adorable. And look at the cup. It is adorable, don't they? And it matches with everything. It's a simple only, but it's fun. And this is the teacup from my friend. Look. Look at the flower they made. And when you open, it's easy. Slide and open. And then slide. You see the pointed at the bottom? You have to put that first inside and then shut right away. Okay. And sometimes, if you want to put something different, it's up to you. But this is my collection, and I just want to share with you guys, and I hope you enjoy. And sometimes when you look at like this in your living area, you will be happy, right? You thrill it. I'm so happy when I set up this on my table. And then when I woke up in the morning, it's just like you playing when you remember when you were a little girl. You see your table, you put your teacup, your plate, your cup, like that. The same thing that because I live only me and my one of my daughters right here at home. So the two daughters of mine, it's gone. They have their own place. So that's what I do now. YouTube. And this is the cupcake I bought again yesterday, so I just want to share with you. If you want to bite, I want to bite first. It's so good. Now, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are the first. Show my channel, of course. Wala naman yan, huh? Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah.